Hello, Next community. So I've got a really nice, excellent cosmetic condition Sony Trinitron monitor, and it is showing signs of life. If I hit this switch, see if I can get it to do. It was just flickering on, and then it disappeared. So I'm going to try a few things here. See if I've got it. I'll try it this way. There it goes. So there's just a little bit of a flicker, and then it kind of disappears. So I'm not sure if anybody out there can tell me if that's maybe an adjustment or a failing component. I haven't opened it up yet. The customer is, Hyun, is okay with repairing it himself, so I may just go ahead that we know that when it powers on, and there is some sign, rather than me continue to muck with it. That might be the best option. Hyun, what do you think? I'll drop you an email, and then I'm going to upload the video. And one more time. Yeah, it seems to want to try, but it has been in hibernation probably 30 years. The case is really in excellent condition. It's a little dusty, but for most Sony Trinitrons, it's cool that it at least tries. So we shall see.